Hello everyone, ballroom time. In front of you are the material used to make the ballroom garland. Let's check them one by one. First, the ballroom garland kit and the rubber band. I use two types. This 4 cm and this 6 cm in diameter. I use these two sides of rubber band because the professional maker tells us to use this smaller one. But I think it's too much small, so I use a large one. So we will test it, which one will be better. And this thing, this elastic thing, actually, long ballroom and fishing line and this red. All this material were used to tie the ballroom to make the ballroom garland. Some professional maker use this long ballroom. Some use this fishing line. And the factory tell me they use this thread, so they send me one. For the following video, because I will make several videos, I will use them one by one to make the ballroom garland, and finally I will tell you which one will be better. But of course, I won't use this fishing line because the texture, I don't think it's a good material to use the fishing line. But of course, some professional maker use this fishing line, but I don't like it. So I will use these two materials to make the ballroom garland and tell you which one is better. Okay, before we starting to make the garland, let's check what's inside the kit. Okay, I opened the bag and got this material about the ballroom. Please check from the screen. And these two materials, one is the group spot, and this is the ballroom garland chain. We can use it to make the ballroom garland. I already took a tutorial to show you how to use it and the ballroom to make the garland. If you are interested, click here for the old tutorial. On this video and the following video, I won't use these two material because I will use another material like this and this to make the ballroom garland. And on this video and the following video, I will show you several methods to make the ballroom garland. Okay, firstly, let's take the 10" of ballroom. Both two of them tied with together. If you have the machine to bowl the ballroom, that will be better. If you don't, buy this one. We can press to bowl the ballroom. Look, there's a tip. When you blow the ballroom and release the air, some air, and press it to make the ballroom run. Normally, they will press on the floor. So we can make the ballroom run. If you have the machine, that will be much more easy and fast. But since you are just plastic to make the ballroom, you don't have to buy the machine. Then tie two of the ballroom together. No matter which method to make the garland, we need to blow two ballroom and tie them together. This is the basic component. Okay, then let's make the rest. Okay, look, I blow all the 10" of ballroom. Look, we don't blow each ballroom in same size. Make it, the difference will be okay. Look at this one. This one is large, this one smaller. Look, blow them in different size will be better. Okay, this is the video to introduce the material for the ballroom garland and show you how to blow the ballroom to make the basic component. For the following videos, I will show you 3 methods to make the ballroom garland by using this inflated ballroom and other material. Also, I will use this garland to make the backdrop decoration. If you are interested, you can check them from my channel, or you can click here, direct to that video. You can find the asset to that videos once I prepare and release to my channel. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye.